85% of people in their job do not like their job. ये गैलप सर्वे था. मोस्ट ऑफ यू वॉचिंग, इफ यू आर इंजीनियर्स, यू नो लाइक मी, यू हैव चोजन द स्पेशलाइजेशन की व्हाट इज इन डिमांड, व्हाट द वर्ल्ड इज सेइंग कि यार इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ले लो, आईटी ले लो, स्कोप में है, कोडिंग कर लो, इसमें पैसा है. सो वी डिड दोज मिस्टेक्स इन इंजीनियरिंग एंड बहुत सारे लोग, मेरे जैसे लोग पछता है इवन आफ्टर गोइंग टू एनआईटी फॉर माई बीटेक. बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आया 4 साल में. So this can save your 2 years of life in MBA and your whole career after you MBA. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel All Sorted. In this video we'll understand how you can benefit from the concept of Ikigai in choosing your MBA specialization, in discovering your purpose, and how it can benefit you immensely in your career. So keep watching. मैंने एक पूरी बुक पढ़ी है इकिगाई के ऊपर, एंड फ्रॉम दिस बुक आई एम टेकिंग आउट इनसाइट्स व्हिच कैन डायरेक्टली बेनिफिट यू. व्हाट इकिगाई इज, सो बेसिकली इट्स एन इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ 4 सर्कल्स, एज यू कैन सी. व्हाट यू आर गुड एट, व्हाट यू लव डूइंग, व्हाट यू कैन बी पेड फॉर, एंड व्हाट द वर्ल्ड नीड्स. सो बेसिकली जो बीच में इंटरसेक्शन सबसे आता है, दैट इज योर मिशन, दैट इज योर पर्पस इन लाइफ. एंड अगर आपने उस पर हिट कर दिया तो यू कैन स्टे हैप्पी. योर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ staying happier and longer in life will increase dramatically, because people are confused what to choose: HR, marketing, finance, consulting, operations. So this concept has helped me to. आपको मेरा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. एक 4 सर्कल्स है: what you're good at, love doing, world needs, and paid for. So while choosing HR versus marketing, I use those concepts. So I am giving you an illustration of how I chose HR. So what I am good at. So I was good at dealing with people, good at those communication skills, being around people, leading people, influencing leadership, all those qualities. I thought I am good at it. ये सिर्फ हवाई बातें नहीं है. मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को पूछा था, फैमिली मेंबर्स को पूछा था, what do you see good in me? So they all felt, yeah, these are the points that you can connect with people. You are good at understanding human emotions. You are good at empathizing with people. Humanities, human psychology, understanding people, emotions, dealing with them, communication skills. I am good at this. Now, what I love doing, this is very important. So love doing, I love helping people to get their maximum potential out, and this is also I am something doing through my videos. आपका जो ट्रू पोटेंशियल है अगर किसी का बाहर आ रहा है मेरी वजह से, सो आई वुड लव दैट थिंग. आई लव एडिंग वैल्यू टू पीपल्स लाइव्स. I love interacting with people. I love talking to people. I love understanding people's problems. I also love the creative stuff. I like the creativity, creating something new that can benefit people directly. And I love understanding psychology, reading about psychology. So ये जो psychology and helping people है, good at में भी आ रहा था, love doing में भी आ रहा था. Now what I can be paid for, so I can definitely be paid for these skills, all the good at and love doing things in the HR career or marketing career, क्योंकि creativity and psychology दोनों में निखर के आ रहा था. So मेरा confusion अभी था HR और marketing के ऊपर. marketing में I am increasing business by understanding psychology of people, by understanding the consumer psychology, using nudges, using marketing, advertising techniques. I have to bring more revenue to the company and make the company profitable. And बस वो quarterly मुझे numbers लाते रहना है. That is my job as a sales manager or marketer. So in HR also what I am doing is understanding human psychology, employee psychology, but here I am using it to enhance the people's lives, to increase the employee engagement in firms, to also benefit them in their career life, because in every touch point HR's role is there to play. So in HR I am impacting the people, the employees of my company, and making their lives better, engaging them better, and thus it is indirectly helping the company to increase its revenue and engagement, because higher the engagement, better the company will perform, because people are the biggest assets of any firm. On the second hand, in marketing, my whole focus is towards the customers, hunting new customers and retaining the existing customers, just increasing the profitability of my company. So यहाँ पे 2 confusion से मैं दूर हो गया था कि HR में मुझे ज़्यादा मजा आएगा if I am going to impact people, bettering their lives, increasing the employee engagement through creative stuff, through understanding psychology. So HR and marketing में मेरा ऐसा confusion clear हो गया था. 4 point what the world needs. So world needs marketeers, world need HRs, but there are a lot of marketeers, a lot of salespeople, and in HR I felt that there is a need of more people who are empathetic, who are good with numbers, who are analytical, who make data-based decisions. So the world actually needs HRs with analytical mindset, with analytic skills, also who can make data-based decisions, which is called evidence-based management. I thought कि ये भी मैं कर सकता हूँ HR field में, and this is how I chose HR. So similarly you can do the same exercise for you. ये 4 गोले आप भर दो. जो एक्टिविटीज पहले आपको सोचना नहीं है while doing one activity. Suppose आप good at में ले रहे हो, तो good at जो भी आप good at है वो सब लिख दो. फिर आप love doing में आपको जो आपको अच्छा लगता है करने में सब लिख दो. Paid for आपको जिसके वजह से पैसा मिल सकता है है, कंपनी दे सकती है, फ्रीलांस कर सकते हो, वो सब लिख दो. वर्ल्ड नीड्स, वर्ल्ड को क्या जरूरत है फिलहाल, वो सारा लिख दो. एंड जो ये चारों में मैच हो रहा है, that is the closest you can get to your ultimate choice, ultimate career. One wrong example what I can think of is, suppose I am good at numbers. Okay, I am good at numbers because being an engineer, so I think finance mein main ja sakta hu. I am good at numbers. Second, can I be paid for in finance? Yes, definitely. Finance jobs are well paid. What the world needs? Yes, world needs finance people. Organizations need finance guys. But do I love doing finance? Do I love that job profile? मैं उसके बारे में पढ़ूंगा. जो डे टू डे जॉब है, I'll talk to people who are working as in finance domain after completing MBA in finance. Am I feeling an inclination towards that by looking at people, their lives who are into finance? That is completely no. So ऐसे मेरा फाइनेंस क्रॉस हो गया था, एंड सिमिलरली से मेरा एनालिटिक्स एंड ऑपरेशंस भी क्रॉस हो गया था. सिमिलरली आई गिव यू वन मोर एग्जांपल हाउ आई व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड माय यूट्यूब चैनल. यहाँ पे इकिगाई कॉन्सेप्ट में देखते हैं, एम आई गुड एट क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट? यस, आई वाज गुड एट क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट. आई वाज गुड एट बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा. देन डू आई लव डूइंग? यस, आई लव adding value to aspirants' life, making their journey smoother. And if I could help someone to crack their college and better themselves, that will be a great feeling for me. Can I get paid for it? Yes, YouTube pays me through ad revenues, and I can also collab with other people, and the products I think can benefit you, I can sponsor them. Yes, I can get paid for it. Fourth, does the world need? Yes, world needs authentic YouTube channels, YouTubers who can guide people, real influencers who are not just selling bullshit, but they are talking through their real experiences. So yeah, ये चारों पॉइंट टिक हो गए थे. सबसेट में YouTube content creation आ रहा था, so I created my YouTube channel. Search your ikigai. That will at least increase the possibility of choosing the right career or discovering your closest purpose in life. Subscribe and hit on all notifications if you do not want to miss such important videos that can add value to your life. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay sorted. Bye bye.